There are three controversial diesel modifications that many owners swear by. They promise fewer maintenance headaches, unlock hidden power, and fix issues that manufacturers never fully solved. But here's the catch. All three are illegal for street use in most countries. Stay tuned until the end because I'll reveal which of these three mods delivers the most benefits for performance and reliability, and why enforcement is cracking down harder than ever. Modification number 1. Catalytic converter removal. Cat delete. The catalytic converter, also known as the diesel oxidation catalyst, is designed to convert harmful exhaust gases into less toxic compounds using precious metals like platinum and palladium. But here's the problem. It operates at extreme temperatures, often over 760 degrees, 1400 degrees. Over time, heat and soot cause it to degrade or clog, creating back pressure that robs your engine of power. A failing catalytic converter can even break apart internally, sending debris downstream and damaging other expensive components. Replacement costs? Anywhere from $500 to $4,000. So, what happens if you remove it? Exhaust flow improves, turbochargers spool faster, and throttle response sharpens. Many owners report a noticeable power increase and a deeper exhaust note. It eliminates one major failure point and its costly replacements. But here's the downside. Removing the cat is illegal for road use in most areas. It dramatically increases emissions of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. Vehicles often fail emissions testing, making registration difficult. Check engine lights and fault codes are almost guaranteed unless the ECU is retuned. Modification number 2. EGR delete. Exhaust gas recirculation removal. The EGR system recirculates a portion of exhaust gas back into the intake to lower combustion temperatures and reduce nitrogen oxide, NOx, emissions. When working perfectly, it can cut NOx by 30–50%. But over time, it causes serious problems. Carbon buildup clogs the intake manifold, valves, and the EGR valve itself. This leads to rough idling, reduced airflow, and expensive repairs, often $800 to $2,000. Many diesel owners pay for intake cleanings every 60,000 to 80,000 miles, costing $300 to $1,000 each time. Deleting the EGR removes this headache entirely. Your intake stays clean. Throttle response improves. Carbon-related maintenance nearly disappears. However, the legal risks are severe. It violates emissions laws and can result in hefty EPA fines. Removing EGR increases nitrogen oxide emissions, contributing to smog. Without proper ECU tuning, the engine can enter limp mode or throw persistent fault codes. Modification number 3. DPF delete. Diesel particulate filter removal. The diesel particulate filter is the most advanced and the most problematic emissions control device. It traps up to 90% of harmful soot particles, some as tiny as 0.1 microns. When full, it regenerates by injecting extra fuel to superheat the filter above 1,100 degrees and burn the soot away. Problems arise when regeneration fails or clogs form. Performance drops, warning lights appear, and fuel consumption increases. Replacement costs can hit $1,000 to $6,000. Deleting the DPF removes back pressure, improving turbo efficiency and power, can improve fuel economy by 10–15% on highways, eliminates regeneration issues and expensive filter replacements. But this is also the riskiest mod. It's heavily enforced, with manufacturers and kit sellers being shut down. Removing it dumps all that trapped soot straight into the air. Your powertrain warranty becomes void immediately. So, why do people still do it? Because the benefits are real. More power, better efficiency, and fewer maintenance headaches. Savings can reach thousands over a vehicle's lifetime, especially for high-mileage drivers and commercial operators. But the landscape is changing. What was once a gray area is now a major enforcement target, and penalties are escalating every year. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not encouraging illegal modifications, but understanding these options helps you make informed decisions about your diesel. If this breakdown helped you, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more expert diesel maintenance tips.